Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Seminole County in east central Florida, central Orange County in east central Florida, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Union Park, or over University of Central Florida, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Altamont Springs, Oviedo, Winter Springs, Castleberry, and Maitland. Floor of a building.